Hi there, welcome to Chesapeake Bites. I'm Chef John Shields, founder of Our Common Table. Join us as we travel around the bay, taking tasty bites of all that Chesapeake has to offer. In this series, we present one recipe every Wednesday, demonstrating how you can eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild our local food economy one dish at a time. Hi there, I'm John Shields from Chesapeake Bites.
And I'm Doug Wetzel from Chesapeake Bites.
Well, welcome to another lovely episode we have going on here. Now, you probably think most of the time we're in the kitchen.
Yep.
Doing all this hard, tedious work, right?
Yeah, but it's hot in the kitchen.
It's hot in the kitchen.
Not fun.
So we decided to come out to the bar today. And you know, you can do so many local things, not just with the regular food, but in cocktails. So we thought that would be kind of fun, don't you think, for the summer?
Yeah.
We went to Joan Norman's One Straw Farm, and we got one of her organic watermelon that is so sweet right now.
Just perfect for it. Seedless, too. Also, just like perfect snack for the summertime right there.
So you do want a seedless watermelon for this recipe?
Yes.
Optimally. Okay, so we're going to make a watermelon Aqua Fresca
Can't wait.
Mojito.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now how can we do this pretty much locavore? Well, you saw the watermelon, and we have Lyon rum, which is from St. Michael's.
Yes.
And it's two sisters that have this. It's a distillery. You can actually go down to the distillery. They have a tasting.
Yeah.
And it is the oldest all-women-owned distillery in the United States. So we can't get much more locavore than this, can we?
It's right in our backyard.
All right, great. So how would we make an Aqua Fresca watermelon mojito? Well, I think optimally we need some of this watermelon.
And the good thing about this watermelon, if it's super ripe, we don't need to add any kind of simple syrup or sugar to this mojito, because the sweetness of this melon will have it just sweet enough for you, so no additional sugar needed as well.
That's pretty cool.
Again, summer body, be always ready.
Yep. So we're just filling up this shaker here with a bunch of watermelon. Mm-hmm. And you don't have to puree it or anything. You just chop it up into little cubes. We have some mint here.
Oh, that for one straw food. Yeah, just a nice tear too.
Yep, little tear into there. And then, better get this rum out. Or Douglas, you look for the rum there.
Okay.
And I'm going to look right in here in my little bag of tricks.
All right, I believe about 2 ounces of rum.
2 ounces.
All right.
Don't do a light pour there, Douglas.
Of course not. After a long shift.
Yep.
Never.
Yep.
All right. Rum going in. Here we go.
And then I have a little bit of lime juice in there for a proper mojito.
All right.
All right, Ned. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So this is the magic part here.
Time to shake it up.
I always liked this. All those movies.
I'm backing up.
Then when you try, come on, you do it.
And the good thing is it's going to help break down a lot of that watermelon too. All right.
Just shake it.
All right. So now, clear a strainer out.
We're going to get a strainer.
Okay. Again, see my bartending skills.
See if they come in.
Oh, look at that. Look at that color.
Wow.
Beautiful. All right. Well, a little lime on, a little mint there up top.
Got mint. And then
that's
maybe a little bit of sprig. This is right from our backyard.
Oh, yeah. Our backyard. He's back here. A little garter right there.
Right in there.
Yeah.
And here you are. You're ready for a proper summer cocktail.
Exactly.
All locavore. You can get it at the farmer's market. So as Douglas and I always say, get ye to the farmer's market.
All right.
All right. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on Our Common Table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.